Hello guys, I'm Simon, Associate Engineer of Electronic Products from Shenzhen, China. This is the place called Huaqiangbei. You can find anything about electronics from here. Today my task is to get some mobile phone wallet case for a customer. Now the all buildings around me are all professional wholesale markets. You can find such like mobile screen protector, phone case, earphones, loudspeaker, power bank, small gadgets, etc. Every day I ride my electric scooter to the markets and purchase the products from here. Then carry the goods back to office. Okay, now let me show you how I work on this job every day. On my left side is a very big market. The name is Pacific Telecommunications Market. It's mainly for the mobile phone protector case and CCTV camera. On my right side is also a professional market for the phone case. The name is Huaqiangbei Telecommunications Market. Now the time is 4 o'clock p.m. But 2 hours later the road will be much more crowded than now. I am very approaching to the market that I want to go to today. It's just in front of me. The most important task to me is not going into the market right now, but is to find a place to park my scooter properly. Wait a second for the traffic light. If I'm lucky, I will find a parking place very fast. But sometimes it costs me a lot of time to find it. Absolutely. Today I'm the lucky man. I find the proper place very quickly. Maybe someone just left here in just 1 minute. Okay, now let's go to the market. It's just in this building. The name of it is the Telecommunications Market. But the first floor is all for retail for tourists. So now I'm going to the second floor. There are many booths here. But for the products that I'm familiar with, usually we have long-term supplier. So I send the order to them, then they will prepare everything for me. After that, I come here to pick up the goods. Now here it is. Hello. 那个阿星的好了吗？哦，这个单子给我。要开单吗？你拍给我看多少钱？ This is the booth professional for the wallet case. They only have the leather wallet case, not any other products. Actually, they are sold from a factory. Let me show you some samples of these products. This is a wallet case, one body design. There are 3 slots for the credit cards. It has many colors. Now we have the black and the pink. This is another one, 2-piece design. This is the new product. It's not a wallet case. Actually, it's a bag applied to the case. It's very interesting, but I think it's good for girls. I've never sold this kind before, and I will take some videos and show to my customers. It looks like a bag, but actually it's also some car slots inside. Do you like this design? Okay, now my goods are all prepared. It's about 300 pieces in total. I will take it to my scooter and carry it back to my office. We go down by this escalator. Get to the first floor now. Okay, let's go to find my scooter. Here it is. Now let me drag it out. You see there are not any empty space for now. If I come here now, I can't find any space for my scooter. Well, it's a terrible story. It rains today, so let's clean the seat. Now I take all of the goods on my scooter. The scooter looks very small, but actually it can help me carry a lot of the goods. It's so helpful. Obviously, it's my bag's partner. Okay, now let's go back to office. Thank you for watching my video. If you have interest in this, please subscribe my channel. I will upload more videos about my job. and share more things from Huaqiangbei, Shenzhen, China, a magic place. Thank you.